Pronunciation of letter combinations. EU, EU like in boy. I like in wine. IE like in week. SCH like in sheep. SP at the start of a word like in fish pool. ST also at the start of the word like in ashtray. QU like in quest, quest. CH after A, O or U like in Scottish loch. CH after other letters like in huge. Vowel and H, so the vowel sounds longer, so it's a longer vowel. Vowel and a double letter, so it makes the vowel shorter. And if you struggle with the German language, so please feel free and check out my courses. And I promise you, you will become the next Superman in the German language. Thank you very much. Bye bye.